Softbank Corp. Just lost billionaire Lieutenant Marcelo Krauer. Marcelo Claure. More executive strikes are likely to follow. The departure of SoftBank's billionaire chief operating officer, Marcelo Claure, could trigger more executive walkouts at the investing giant. Claure, who was tasked with reviving the office space company WeWork following its failed IPO in 2019 and oversaw the investor's Latin American fund, had a falling out with the SoftBank founder Masayoshi Son over compensation demands of up to $1 billion. Bloomberg reported on Thursday. Close watchers of the company see it as a dispute that could have been avoided. In 2020, Son set up a hedge-fund-style operation named SB Northstar and took a 33% personal stake in the unit designed to invest in publicly traded companies, a move that would solely benefit the executive's personal pay. This play for personal gain by Son, who also took a stake in SoftBank's Vision Fund 2, may have led to tensions with colleagues. Masa does not want to spread the joy, said David Gibson, an MST Financial senior analyst, adding that Son's personal stakes in key investment vehicles may have made others feel excluded. For instance, Claure, who joined SoftBank after the Japanese firm bought his company, wanted to create a spin-off of the Latin American venture capital fund he ran, in a move that would have boosted his pay, but it never materialized. Masa wanted to own direct stakes in Vision Fund 2 and SB Northstar, so Marcelo must have thought he deserved similar, Gibson told Insider. But Masa does not think so. Gibson added that it could mean other executives might consider leaving. Claure's departure follows other high-profile exits. Ex-strategy chief Katsuno Risego, former Vision Fund managing partner Colin Fan, and ex-Vision Fund investor Jeff Housenbold all left in 2021. But Gibson said the current market environment, in which public markets are facing an intense sell-off, raised questions about who would want to move at such a volatile moment. One analyst said the issues reflected an ongoing challenge with governance at SoftBank. At the company's annual general meeting last year, Son was forced to defend its approach to governance and denied that it was his one-man show. One source close to the firm said that when investors asked Son on calls to explain how his personal investments were okay, the response was that the independent directors said it was okay. It doesn't mean it's right, the source said. SoftBank did not respond to a request for comment from Insider at the time of writing. Claure's departure comes at a difficult time for SoftBank. Ahead of reporting its third quarter earnings next month, it's facing an accelerated sell-off in tech stocks that threatens its market capitalization, already down more than 50% since last year. In a statement on Thursday, Son said Claure had made many contributions to SoftBank and thanked him for his dedication. SoftBank said Michel Combes, the former head of the telecoms firm Sprint, had been appointed the CEO of SoftBank Group International to oversee its operating and investment portfolio. Claure said in a statement that he would forever be grateful for his experience with the company. He said he'd had the opportunity to collaborate with some of the world's great executives and entrepreneurs, and tackle several immense professional challenges. I am particularly grateful to Masayoshi Son, who gave me the opportunity to thrive at SoftBank and served as a mentor and friend during my tenure, he said.